Someone just posted a great review about us and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We love telling everyone about it because it's our goal to provide every individual with a 5-star experience. We're really motivated to hear we've made so many people happy. We work with everyone individually to reach our 5-star service goal. Our approach really is one experience at a time. It's that simple. 5-star experiences are great, and our goal is to keep earning those reviews. Let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star rating. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a nice day.